the boys travel to uncharted terrain of the upper Kittitas County in search of a turkey.
Here, turkey, 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 turkey. Hey Nolan, did you find anything?
Get out of here, give me some privacy. God.
Hey guys, turkey. What do you got, Wade?
What is it?
There's turkey, 4 of them. They all laid down right here.
Ooh, those are good prints.
They gotta be nearby. They gotta be nearby. Let's go look.
So you're telling me a turkey's nearby?
That is what I just said.
Whole family.
A whole family, 4 of them.
Right there, right there. Don't startle it. You guys see it? Let's go base this turkey. Right there. Finish him. Got it. Yes, got it.
Oh, nice shot.
Let's go claim our turkey. Yeah, you got it. Good shot. Thanks.
Nice, guys.
Gusher.
Hey, good job on the premium turkey.
Seasoned with real butter.
I'd say this turkey's been stuffed. Happy Thanksgiving from Channel 40.